Yeah, I believe recording is going on. Thank you. Yeah. So thank you so much. So today's game is very, very important, and we are here. The reason behind meeting that about the game, we are going to play the game, and this game, if you couldn't play in the live session, then there won't be any meaning if you are listening to this even in the recording. So that's why I appreciate you people for your time you took to show up. And it talks about the level of energy you are going to put in. And it's all about your initiative, your keenness, and your curiosity. I understand few people couldn't join. Mayank had informed me that why he couldn't join because of for some reason he won't be able to. So definitely he will be joining our next session on Monday because we have Monday our last session. So on that session, the officially on Monday, this will end for Nisha, Chanchal, and Mayank. But still, you guys can continue in this journey with
Priya.
Priya.
And give me a second, guys. Why there is a go? Oh, I'm on two device. Give me a second. Guys, are you able to hear me? Are you able to hear me?
Yes, we can.
Okay.
Yes, but
Thank you.
it's
Thank you.
echoing a little bit.
Okay, still echoing.
Yes.
And now
Yes.
I'm joined with my original device, and this is well and behaving now good. So thank you for being patient with me. So yeah, so welcome back once again on day 2 of week 8, and which is the 12th day. This is the 12th day of business analysis track. Okay, so what we are going to do today is we are going to learn about some amazing stuff, and that is going to be through game. And this game is why very, very important, because it is going to tell the truth about yourself. Okay, it is going to tell the truth about ourselves. It is going to tell the truth that what all the stuff you have learned so far. How many of you are excited to know about this and experience this? Just shout
Me.
yes. Thank you. Thank you so much. Who else? Who else? So you are not excited to be the part of this? Priya, are you about this game?
So I just joined. What was your question? I
The
missed it.
question is that today we are going to learn about through something game about you, that what you have learned so far, what exactly you have experienced so far, and that you are going to talk about. So are you excited to learn this through the game?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
So who else?
50-50. Yeah.
Okay. Not so excited. Yeah, okay. Who else is excited to know about yourself? Because it's not about self-discovery yet. It's now about self-creation. Yeah. You are here to create yourself. Yes. Who else? Shout a yes. Otherwise, we will not play this game if
Yes.
you are not excited. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you, Chanchal. Yeah. So, well, Rahul, are you also in for this game to play with us?
Yes,
Okay,
sure.
superb, amazing. And today we are going. I'm going to announce about something. So stay till the end because at the end I'm announcing something which I call it as gift. How many of you love the gifts? How many of you?
Of course, yes.
Okay, thanks. So
Me too.
okay, thanks.
Me too.
Thanks, Chanchal. Thanks,
Who
Nisha.
doesn't love gifts?
Okay, thanks. Rahul, do you also love gifts?
Of course.
Oh, wow. Everyone loves gift. Thank you. Thank you so much. So if that's the case, then at the end, you are going to know something that how you can grab your gift, something like that. So yeah. So the now game is today, which I'm going to disclose that we are going to learn, which we call it as, word chaser game. Okay. Word follow game. So what is going to happen in this game? We are going to talk about business analysis and Scrum only. Okay. Whatever you have learned so far, I want you to think a word out of that. And it is going to be very round robin and rapid fire round. Okay. You will get a very small seconds to think about it. And within a count of 3 seconds, if you couldn't complete that, you lose that game. Okay, you lose that moment. Okay, so it will be so much fast that is going to talk about your grasping power. Okay, so are you in for this and you have understood what I'm telling, or you want me to explain it again?
We are in
So,
for that, but not sure.
Gauravji,
Yes.
I think that I am at a disadvantage because I didn't go through your videos very carefully. Even though I know some concepts, your other people may have gone over the videos very carefully, and I have joined this session late. So I am already thinking that.
Okay, don't think like that, but yeah, so the truth, you can't assume, nor I can assume. Only the reality will happen when you will start speaking, because in last 3-4 session of the business analysis, even if you could learn something from there, or your memory can retain some you know terminology or keyword from there, you could be the winner. So it's all about your attention. It is going to reveal how much attentive you were during the session, and how this is going to help you in long run, that tomorrow if someone is going to interview, how you are going to react. Okay, so being this is the first round, it is about your attentiveness, it is about your readiness, being in any kind of job, and also it is going to leave you with the contemplative mind, for which will help you to be well prepared for the next round or next time. Okay, so that's the intent behind this game. But what is the game? Any question about the game? Do you want me to explain that? If you want me to explain that, ask me now, because once we start, and if you couldn't participate, you will lose. Yeah.
Sir, how many questions are going to be asked in like one round? Like each one question, and you have few seconds, right? It's like
question will be only once asked, and your name will be mentioned maybe once, twice, thrice, 4 times. Like if I ask Nisha may call out Rahul's name. Rahul may quickly jump back to Nisha may quickly jump back to Rahul. Rahul may call once again Dipti's name, or Dipti calls Nisha's name again. Nisha again calls Priya's name. Priya calls Chanchal's name. So it is going to be really round robin, and again and again and again and again and again. So you should be that much super duper attentive with me so far, guys.
Okay, so if you ask me a question I don't know, I can call anyone else on the team, like Dipti, Chanchal, Priya, and Nisha, right?
No, so that time you can't tell that. So what it is going to happen, say for example, I want a volunteer. Okay, rather 2 volunteer. Who can be two volunteers? Who can be 2 volunteers? So you may raise your hand and I'll pick you up. Anyone? Volunteer, guys. We are not many people, otherwise I'll have to call your name.
I will volunteer.
Thank you, Dipti. So what I'll do, I'll pen. Okay, who else was there? Who else?
I don't know. I think Nisha said yes.
Nisha, did you?
I just gave the thumbs up. And
Okay. Yeah, Dipti, I saw your thumbs up. Nisha.
Nisha.
Okay, Nisha. So let me pin you.
Gaurav, my laptop is acting funny.
Okay, no worries. So join back. So till then we will play together. Yeah. So Nisha, what's going on? I'm going to let's take household stuff.
Login from my.
Yeah, sure, Dipti. So Nisha, I'm going to play this with you. So we are not going to play about Agile and Scrum. Let's talk about some household stuff or daily activity. Okay, daily activity like watching TV, like playing, watering, or taking care of child or something like that. So one keyword you will speak, and then I'll speak. Once I don't know something, or I lose the interest, or I lose my mind, or I lose awareness, what I'll do, I'll simply pass. When I'll simply pass, then you may choose to go to Dipti. Or if you have already started with Dipti and already you are playing, any moment you can jump back on me. Are you with me on this game?
Yes.
Okay, so let's give it a try. And ready, steady, go. You will start. Yes.
Patience.
Patience. Hurry.
Mind frame. I can't hear you, Gauravji.
Yeah, now you can hear me. So you said mind frame. My computer was again hung. So yeah, mind frame. Learning.
Interesting.
Awake.
Creative.
Pass.
Dipti.
Okay. Dipti.
Gosh, I'm not.
Okay.
Able to follow this game.
Let me become Dipti. So yeah, dropping children to school.
So what I
Early in
have
the
to say?
morning.
Yeah, Nisha, please repeat.
Early in the morning.
Early in the
Early.
morning. Okay. Taking shower.
What? I couldn't hear you.
Taking shower. Taking shower. Shower. Did you get that?
Taking.
Shower.
Taking. Shower. Okay.
Yeah.
Water.
Water. Breakfast.
Idli.
Okay. Thanks. So you understood that how it went to Dipti, and Dipti started participating, and not necessarily that this is going to happen in the similar way, but the important is that why it was not very interesting, because we were not talking about the subject. We just went round robin. Okay. Now you have to take care of one thing. I'm going to give you a word. I could
Mr.
say,
Gaurav ji,
yeah.
so if you are talking about food, then
Hmm.
in a way, can I then jump in after talking like similar foods about food? I can jump in and talk about cars.
About car, no, you cannot.
Because no, seriously, the words were not talking about the same topic.
Yes. So that's what I said, that in this game we couldn't play the way we want to. Like if we are going to talk about IT, okay, so you may talk about computer, motherboard, then keyboard, and then power cord, and then hardware, then software, then signature device, or say speech recognition device or something like that, which could relate to computer, right? But if you simply say we are talking about computer, you simply say spoon, you simply say dish, you simply say some cuisines name. So these are not the part of this game. Okay. And that time you lose that. Okay, got it. So the main intent is to bring out from you that what you have learned so far. So thank you so much, Nisha, for your help and participation by being a volunteer. So I appreciate that. And thank you, Dipti, you as well. So are you ready to play now, Dipti?
Yes.
Okay, thanks. So let me pin everyone rather, not only you. So let me pin everyone again. Admin, admin, the admin. Okay, who else? Chancha. So I believe everyone has understood. So now, guys, the thing is that in this game, we are going to talk about BA Agile Scrum. Let's start with business analysis. Whatever word related to business analyst comes in your mind, you have to speak up. I see that first Rahul has unmuted itself. My pointer will go to Rahul itself. Rahul, you have to quickly within 3 seconds speak one word which is related to business analyst, and after you say so, call out someone's name. Okay, so 1 2 3 go. Rahul.
Analytical skills, Dipti.
BRD, Nisha.
FSD, Chanchal.
Requirement gathering, Priya.
Documentation, I think Rahul.
Requirements management, Chanchal.
Use case diagram, Nisha.
UML, Dipti.
Root cause analysis, RCA.
Call out name.
Yes, Priya.
Test case.
I didn't hear you.
Test case and Deepti.
Articraft, BRTcraft.
Call out name. Someone's faster.
Rahul. Rahul, I said your name.
SWOT analysis, Priya.
Skills. Listening skills, sorry. Chanchal.
ERD. Nisha.
Use cases, Rahul.
User stories, Chanchal.
Document review, Priya.
Data validation, Nisha.
Stakeholders, Rahul.
Problem solving skills,
Okay, round one stops here. So round one stops here. Guys, what I have noticed that you guys are going to such skill which you need not to mention. Okay, because problem solving skill be with the any skill. Okay, listening skill should be with any skill. Now I'm going to add one new word along with business analysis, also the agility. Okay, so you have to talk about the terminology. I really love the way Chanchal said requirement gathering. That's the first stage. Okay, you could go ahead inside that and talk about the phases of that. Okay, you could also talk about another various terminology which you have learned so far. Okay, but it should not be like in generic, like you are talking about client meeting. Instead, you can say that client review meeting. When you are talking about client review meeting, what exactly happens? So if you are talking about business analysis, you can in user story, you can further go like someone said use case design. That was okay. Okay, so think about daily routines. After requirement gathering, what happens? Business analysis happen. After that, what happens? Documentation is there, coding is there, designing is there, testing is there. Someone Priya told about test case. Get into that. You can talk about, if you are talking about BRD, talk about some element you are going to put inside BRD. Okay, someone said about the review. Okay, so after review, versioning you can talk about. Okay, we talked about Trello, and there we saw we were managing some cards. Okay, you can go ahead, get inside and talk about the planning. And now still there are few more words which I have not yet spoken, but maximum words I have spoken. So the moment if you will talk about, communication skill, or if you will talk about problem solving skill, and if you will talk about, discussion or simple meeting, the words which does not create any weightage much, so you will be not on the winning point. Are you getting me what exactly I mean? Yeah, thank you, Nisha, for acknowledging. Thank you. So are you with me so far, guys? Dipti, Rahul,
Yes.
Priya, Chanchal.
Yes.
Sir, I have one question.
Yes, please ask.
So if we had continued business analysis,
Mhm.
there is something also called Babcock. There's a Babcock guide. Can you mention that? Because Babcock is a
Yeah,
there's this-
I have BA BOK. Okay,
Yeah.
so initially when we started about BA BOK, we had mentioned what is the BA BOK about. Okay, so how many of you remember that we have spoken about BA BOK guide earlier? That what is BA
Yes.
BOK? Yeah, thank you,
Yes,
Nisha.
I remember.
So in case you think that you have not listened to it, you can still go back and listen to the first or second recording
No,
of
I
Business
think
Zone.
Rahul wasn't there, Gaurav.
Oh, Rahul wasn't there.
I think he
Okay.
wasn't
No,
there.
I'm just saying.
Yes,
My
yes.
question is,
If
we
you can
have
mention
added
that,
this
is
word?
it?
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah,
That's what my
yeah.
question. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you, Rahul. Yes, you can definitely mention that, and you can get inside that, and you can talk about more about in that guide. What do you remember? Okay. So I hope you have got this, and I have got Rahul's question, and Rahul questions is answered as well. So wait a second. So before you start, let me bring something, okay, for you. Give me a second. When I'll say start, because Rahul asked me the last question, I will ask Rahul to again start. So Rahul, when I'll start it without thinking much, and this time the thing will be BA Agile Scrum. All three terminology you can bring together. Okay, but just wait a second for me to say start. Okay, just give me a second. So because I'm creating something in the background for you guys before you guys start. So everyone is ready now? Yes.
Yes.
Thank
Yes.
Nisha, Dipti, and
Yes.
Yes.
thank you,
Yes.
thank you, Chanchal. Yes. Okay, so sometime what happens, yeah, this thing I'm experiencing again, but not for longer. It's opening up. I'm opening a file to share with you guys, and that's why it's taking a little time. Rahul, are you ready now? Okay. So I just wanted Rahul to say yes, but I couldn't hear his yes. Anyone else
Yes,
heard?
sir. Yes, sir. I'm ready.
Okay. Okay, fine, fine. Thank you. So, yeah, ready, steady, one, go, Rahul. Yes.
From. Deepti.
Project vision document. Chanchal.
Functional specification document. Nisha.
Working softwares. Rahul.
Come on, Rahul. Time is ticking up.
I said daily stand-ups, Priya.
User acceptance testing. Chanchal.
Product backlog. Dipti.
Um, Requirement management plan, Nisha.
Sprint, Rahul.
Sprint, you said? Okay.
Print backlog, Chanchal.
Sprint review. Nisha.
Sprint retrospective, Rahul.
Chanchal.
What did you say, Bert? We couldn't hear you.
Cadence.
Okay. Cadence, it did not register me, but yeah, Chanchal, go ahead. We will ask that later. Chanchal.
Scrum roles. Sorry.
Yeah, call out someone's name.
Dipti.
Project management, Priya.
Requirement traceability matrix.
Okay, thank you so much. Now what I want you to do is this. Okay, what I want you to quickly start discussing what you have learned with each other. You have 3 minutes. Okay, go ahead. One. So it does not require to play the game, but discuss whatever you remember. So it can go in detail. Please. 1, 2, go.
So we learn about what is the BA's job, how to gather BRDs, then how to make the flow diagram, then what is Scrum. Okay, I think I am going to pass this to Priya now. She can add on to this, Priya.
Yeah, basically we learned the requirement gathering, BRD creation, and then the proof of testing, I guess. I think I'll pass it on to
And
Rahul.
yeah, I want to add one more thing, Priya. We always have a meeting with the stakeholders, and then
Yes.
we gather a lot of information from them back and forth.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Yeah, passing it on to Rahul.
Yes, I came in as a little late, so I learned about business analysis, different techniques, different modeling. But I came to know a very important fact is that business analysis and Scrum are become intertwined. That's the major thing I learned, and both are not. They are totally kind of mutually exclusive. If you have to learn BA, you have to learn Scrum also these days. That's the way the world is.
And I will walk you through some of the important places, scenic beauty. There is the Siddhivinayak temple, which is a very old and ancient temple of Lord Ganesha. Then this is the Nehru Planetarium. As children, we used to visit it. It's really nice. This is one Haji Ali Dargah, which is on the Worli Sea face. They say you make a wish comes true. We used to go there. And then this is a Wankhede Stadium. It is one of the oldest and nicest stadiums in Mumbai. Of course, now they've come up with a new one in New Mumbai, which is bigger and better than this, but a lot of matches and everything was played here at one point in time. Then this is Kolaba. It's a place which never sleeps. It's full of street side shopping. And then they have a lot of these small pubs and bars. And there's a lot of foreign tourists who love to live here, visit places, street side food and everything. This is the Navy Nagar, which is also very well made, where there's Navy quarters. And this is Gateway of India. Now from this, you can take a ferry, which a boat ferry, which would lead you to Elephanta Caves.
Super, excellent.
Which is somewhere here.
Thank you so much, Nisha, for your contribution. Let's give a round of applause for Nisha for wonderful performance and wonderful contribution. For first time, even she was not aware what she actually going to experience. Okay, so thank you so much, Nisha, and thank you. Please give a round of applause to her. Thank you, Nisha, for your contribution. Nisha, call out someone's name now.
Chanchal.
Chanchal. Chanchal, you can unmute yourself, and yeah. Just check if you can take us to the satellite or traffic view. I mean, you can change the views. I'm not sure because we want to experience the road. You will have to reshare the screen, I guess. Chanchal, you can hear us, right? Please unmute yourself.
Yes.
Oh,
Just
thanks.
a sec.
Yeah, sure. Take your time.
By the way, Gauraji, sorry, my laptop was dead, so
No
I had
problem.
to rejoin from my mobile.
No problem, Priya. So I experienced the same today. So yeah,
Okay.
yeah, no worries. So yeah, sometime, devices work really very differently. So we sometimes call it as a disaster management. If despite being on the time and with different resources, we can arrange something. So Chanchal, do you think you can walk us through the streets or not possible?
Not possible right now because
Okay.
I'm just trying. Can I start?
Yeah, go ahead. Please, let's give a power push to Chanchal. So let's guys join us together and start counting and give power push. 1, 2, 3, and whoosh. Yes, Chanchal.
Yes. San Francisco, it's the biggest city in California, one of the biggest city. It's the population is great here. And also I like the vibe of the city. It's from here, I live in San Jose, but from here it takes 45 to 50 minutes to reach there. But I've been here 3 to 4 times. I love the city. So I'll walk you through it. You can see the Golden Gate Bridge is the iconic tourist spot. And also you can see the Pacific Ocean from here, and there is also an Alcatraz Island. Here you can take a ferry, and also you can see there is a former prison over here. So you can just take a look over there as well by ferry. And also there are residential areas which are architectural wise, it's called the Victorian homes, the painted ladies you can see here. So yeah, and here this is particularly the most famous street, the Mission District and the Castro. And here the Twin Peaks, you can see the view of overall view of a city from here. And there I cannot. Here is the San Francisco State University. I'm not able to see the Chinatown here. But
okay. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for Chanchal's contribution. Let's give a big round of applause for Chanchal as well. Thank you so much for sharing, Chanchal. Call out someone's name, please.
Dipti.
Yeah, Dipti, your name.
All right, I hope you guys can hear me.
Yes, very well and clear and loud. Yeah.
Okay, let me share my screen. Oops.
By the way, are you loving it, guys? Rest.
Can you see my screen?
Yes, it is loading. By the way, rest of you guys, are you loving this city tour? How many of you are loving it? Okay, thank you. Okay,
right, so,
yes.
Today I'm going to talk about New York. It's one of my favorite city. I love going there because it's just like Mumbai, very crowded all the time. You can see so many people around there. This is the Central Park, and then after that, again, oops. Again, this is the view of a Central Park. Then when you go to New York, you can see the famous Statue of Liberty. There, it's surrounded by sea. Again, sorry, and then from there you can see a Twin Tower also. And this is a beautiful view of New York City. And again, this is the Central Park. I'm gonna scroll down. I hope you can see mine's. And this is the famous, very famous Times Square, where so many Bollywood movies had been shot. I forgot the name of this bridge, but I have been on that bridge so many times, but I completely forgot right now. This is in front of Trump building. There is a famous Christmas tree there. It looks very beautiful around the Christmas time. Again, this is one of the famous bridges of New York. This is the Twin Tower. That's the view of a Twin Tower. This is the crowded road of New York City. These are a few buildings. Then there are so many museums in New York City also. So many things to see. And I again forgot, oh, what is this? But looks like that's a train station or maybe one of the museums. And again, this is the famous Statue of Liberty.
Yeah.
And
Thank you so much, Dipti, for your contribution. Ultimately, time is up. So let's give a round of applause for Dipti as well. Thank you so much, Dipti. Amazing and very creative. So please call us someone's name.
I would say Rahulji.
Rahulji. Yes, Rahulji. Are you going to ask us for PowerWash? Because if you are missing something in your corporate culture, you need to ask for that. Okay, we did not do this event. Okay, so you can ask for that before we get started, or the moment we come to that point where that some event has to occur. Okay, so ask for the PowerWash and then get going. You can just say, bring it on, and we will bring it on for you. Rahul, can you hear us?
Yes. Yes, please do the PowerWash.
Okay, thank you. Let's go ahead and give a PowerWash to Rahul by clapping 3 times and pouring the energy by stating whoosh on the camera. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and whoosh.
Whoosh.
Yes, PowerWash is given to you. Please go ahead, start sharing your screen.
Hold on, see. Are you sharing? Are you?
Yeah, we can see Washington,
okay.
DC.
Here is the Washington DC area. This is the capital of the world in a way, where you have the White House. You see here the Washington National Cathedral. This is the main church here, and you can see the streets they are almost like in a circle. It's called the Beltway. You have the 495 here. It circles around the Washington DC area, and it's kind of a little complicated because it's the roads and the areas which are around here. They are, of course, they are very busy. You see this red circle around here. This is the Washington DC area. You have the National Cathedral. You have Arlington here, which is outside United States. You have the George Memorial Parkway, which connects to the DC here. And then somewhere I think you have the White House here. That's the Capitol Hill. This is where all the important decisions. It's equivalent to the Parliament of India. It's considered as the most powerful lobby that makes the laws. Congress makes the laws, and then the White House and its cabinet they execute on the decisions here. Here you have the Alexandria, which is kind of suburb of Washington DC, same as you have Gurgaon and what you say in Noida and Delhi. So that's called Delhi Capital Region. This is called the Washington Capital Region here.
Thanks, Rahul. Thank you so much for your time and very well explained. Let's give a round of applause to Rahul as well. Thank you. Thank you so much. Call out someone's name, Rahul, quickly.
Did Chanchal do it? Hello, did Chanchal do
I
it, sir?
did. Yeah,
Okay,
I
who's
did.
Chanchal.
Priya is there.
Priya?
Only Priya is left.
Priya.
Yes, Priya.
Yeah, thank you so much, Rahul. So let me share my screen. Sorry,
Okay, don't
laptop
forget.
died,
Don't forget to ask even. It may happen. Like why we did not do for Dipti, because I wanted Dipti to ask. Dipti just missed to ask. Then this was the lesson which I wanted to share. Okay, because it may happen in the project that you miss some event. And when you miss that event, you need to ask for its recurrence. Okay, when it is going to happen. When you ask and still you don't apply, then what happens? Corporate does not, accept that. Okay, and that's the reason. First time forgetting is okay. Second time you need to keep on asking. It may happen, human tendency. You may miss the procedure. Okay, with me so far. Are you ready for the power wash, Priya? Now,
Yes.
okay.
Yes.
Let's join in together and clap 3 times at the count of 3. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, and
Whoosh.
whoosh.
Thank you. Thank you. So one of my favorite cities is London. I did my master's there, so it was 10 years ago, but then the memories are still fresh. So I wanted to walk you through this city. And are you able to see my screen?
Yes.
Okay, so the one that you are seeing now is the Buckingham Palace. I don't know because I'm sharing from my mobile. I'm sure it's clear. Yeah, this is the very famous Buckingham Palace where the Queen and her family lives. So that's one of my favorites. And the very famous Big Ben, which has the big clock. And somewhere here, here is the London Eye. So it's the favorite of every tourist who visits London and the UK. You can get a very, very good view of the entire city from this London Eye. And I'm not sure. Okay. So Leicester Square, it's a very very famous shopping area, and this entire area, it has the tube stations or the subway stations. It's very famous in New York here, and first it was founded here in the UK, and I love that part about the city. And let me. Okay, I don't know where the Parliament House is. The Parliament House is really, really famous, and that's where the important decisions are taken. And let me see. I'm not able to scroll much with my phone.
Okay, no problem. Your time
Tower
is still up.
Tower of London.
Okay, thank you.
It is also very famous. And yeah, okay, thank you.
Thank you. Let's give a round of applause for Priya as well. Very much creative, and still resourcefulness is the keyword over here for Priya. Thank you so much, Priya, for sharing. Okay, even though I'm not going to switch on my camera, I want to see all of your shiny faces because I want to learn something from you. Thank you so much. Dipti can see you and wave back to you. Yes, who else? Thank you so much, Nisha ji. Wonderful. You are shining. Thank you so much, Chanchal. Thank you so much, Priya. Waving back to you guys. Rahul, you can switch on your camera too. So let me ask you this thing. You can just tell me through your body language, how many of you learn something? Yeah? Thank you. Thank you. And how many of you learn a lot? Yeah? Did you learn? Thank you. Thank you so much. And how many of you found yourself today? You were really creative. You got into a new job altogether. Yeah. Did you find that you guys were creative enough? Yeah.
Yes.
Priya? Yes. Rahul, did you find yourself creative too? And you were resourceful too, you know? Resourceful.
I could have been better. I could have been better.
Yes, always. The being of betterment is always there. The potentiality is always there. So, but you are noticing how you are gearing up, guys. I really love that. You guys were, few of you were resourceful. Means your laptop went off. You utilized camera. Still, you went ahead. Super amazing. These things, what you need to apply, these things you need to implement at the work. Okay, and with the similar level of energy. Okay, similar level of what? Energy. Energy is the keyword. And let me ask you this thing: how many of you have ever attended such kind of training in the past? Not such kind of training, any technical training in the past. You have not done any kind of training from school till date? Have you not gone to any tuition, coaching classes,
yes,
or
so many times.
somewhere?
Oh, a lot.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
Yes.
Many times.
So many times.
And how many times? Yeah, Nisha, you were telling something, but you were on mute.
Fine. This is the first online training I'm doing.
Okay, first online training. But have you ever attended any offline coaching? Any kind of physics, chemistry, math, biology, or something like that? Yeah, in yours from since your school time. Yeah. And how many times, even this was online, did you find the deeper level of connection and you enjoyed a lot? Yes. Have you ever had similar kind of experience in any kind of even offline training?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. Yes.
I have had, yeah.
Offline training, you were having fun, even someone is not interacting with you or something like that? Yes.
No, I have had fun in my offline trainings too.
Okay, so that's the great stuff. So you should be choosing that way, that path, okay, where learning has to be fun. Okay, learning has to be fun. So on this note, we have come to the end, and as I had promised to you, do you think this kind of coaching, this kind of tuition, coming even in offline, okay, for technical stuff, deserve at least 5-star, at least from me? Do you think so? Yes. Yes, everyone. Thank you. Thank you. So there is something I have promised you, okay, that you are going to get some gift. And for that, you remember one email address. Okay. This gift worth rupees $197 are waiting to come to you for free. And that is from me, because I know that few of you from Monday or Tuesday may not be joining regularly, but still all 6, and even if you are listening to this too in the recording, Mayank, this is applicable to you too. Okay, so what do you need to take a note? You need to take a note of this: connect at the rate with kumargaurav.com. Okay, so what is going to happen?
I cannot see your address.
Okay, that is in the chat. That is in the
I
chat.
saw that now.
Okay, so take this note: connect at the rate with kumargaurav.com. You guys are going to send me an email, and an email you are going to ask me, give me my gift. Okay, GMG, give me my gift. Okay, she is another resourceful lady, very much creative. She is taking photograph intelligence stuff. You too can do that. So what happens? We discuss something in the boardroom, and not necessary you need to take a note. You can take a photograph as well. So be that much resourcefulness, bring that resourcefulness. So cool. So this thing you have to remember: connect at the rate with kumargaurav.com. Send out an email, and I'll be sending you 11 items, and that 11 items would require some responses from you. Okay, and where that response you need to put in, I'll tell you that this is the place where you are going to put in your response. And when you give me the screenshot, hey, this is ready, and then I will give you your gift worth rupees $197. Why this gift is coming your way? Because you guys have asked multiple questions. Chanchal had some question when she was having one-to-one. Nisha had some question when she had done one-to-one with me twice. Dipti had some question when she connected me over WhatsApp. I believe if 50% of people may have similar question, then I am sure that Rahul, Mayank, and Priya, you might have also that question would be definitely. And definitely this thing as a gift, as a token of gratitude and love, which is coming on your way, that is going to help you in a longer run. Okay, so on this note, I want you to once again take the note of the email address. Send me an email stating GMG, where you will get the 11 items to fill in, and I'll tell where to store that. And then how you can open your or unwrap your gift, the digital gift, because you are virtual. So I can only give you some digital gift. Thank you so much. So on this note, please, Dipti, the focus was there with you. So I want you to call out one word from today's game.
I truly enjoyed today's game. I learned a lot from today's session. I feel very positive. So thank you so much, all of you. And thank you, Gauravji, for putting up a very nice game. Thank you.
Yeah, call out someone's name, please.
I would say Chanchal.
Chanchal.
Yeah, I also felt very positive, confident, and also the game was very creative. And yeah, Nisha.
Fun. Rahul.
I would say the game was very intriguing and creative.
Yeah, call out someone's name, please. Rahul, call out someone's name, please.
Priya.
Priya.
Productive and uplifting.
Uplifting. Thank you. Thank you so much. Call out my name.
Gauravji.
Thank you. Thank you so much, guys. And remember, on Monday for Chanchal, Mayank, and Nisha, the day will be the finale day where you can come up with a lot of questions, and we are going to have Q&A, and we will end up with the creative visualization. It could be, if you put your 100%, it could be something, a mirroring effect in your life. Okay, it can give a leap of transformation to you. Okay, so the letter is the T for transformation. If you give your 100% without applying your judging mind, because it does not require that creative visualization, that does not require, but it gives you really power-packed move towards your destination. Okay, on this note, and this information, looking forward to seeing your email so that you can receive your gift, and we can sign up by waving back. I can see you waving me back, stating this: I am a cheerful receiver, because you are going to get a gift. Declare that I am a cheerful receiver.
Gauravji, is it for everyone or
everyone? Everyone, because you are listening to me.
Okay.
This is for everyone. Okay, so wave me back, stating that I am cheerful receiver. Okay, bye bye, guys.
I'm a cheerful receiver.
Bye.
I'm a cheerful receiver.
Yes, super.
Take care, Nisha. Get well soon. Bye, guys.
I'm a
Good night,
cheerful
everyone.
receiver.
Bye.
Bye, guys. Bye.
Thank you, Gauravji.
Thank you. Rahul, you want me to stay back?
Yeah, just 1 or 2 minutes.
Yeah, sure. Thank you. Yeah. Yes, Rahul. Yes.
I won't take your time today.
Yeah.
I'll just tell you my history. I really. First of all, I want to tell you that I was very fearful when we did the video.
Mm-hmm.
I wanted to do really any unknown city like Ankara, Turkey, or London, but then I thought, I would look really stupid because I don't know anything about that. So at least, so I said, go with the safer one, which So I went with Washington, DC. So I really wanted to go with the unknown city. So anyway, that's being said. I have, I was, reviewing my life, and I was listening to the, this All Nightingale. Yes, it has started a little bit of positiveness, and I realized my mistakes somehow in my life. And what is one of the biggest mistakes, my biggest shortcomings is time management skills. And I will tell you, because even when I was at BNA as an accountant, my boss used to tell me that you don't know how to, break the task into milestones and, smaller chunks of tasks, and your time management skills are not good. And I have faced that when I've worked at Booz Allen. I faced that when I worked at USPS contract, all the places, even at Geico. And I think I know it's little too late, but.
No, yeah, I understand your point, Rahul. And first of all, thank you for being open, and thank you for being transparent and honest. So very good live review, and it happens with anyone. Okay, and I only tell that it's just like a connection of ball and a nail. Do you understand what I said? Ball and a nail. So you are hammering into the wall a nail. a nail of negativity, a nail of belief system. A belief when you were child, as Earl Nightingale says, that trace your childhood back. When was the first time someone told you that you are not going to be successful? When was the first time when you realized that you cannot be, you cannot face the fear, or you cannot be the confident, and when you cannot be successful? Trace back your childhood. Are you listening to me, Rahulji?
Yes.
Okay, thanks. So when he is telling that, it means since then, that was the first time someone might have told you, you are foolish. I'm just giving example. You cannot be a good time manager. That could be after some years. Someone would have told you, that you are not worth it. Okay. Our mind being very innocent, because it was respecting elders, and the elders had taught us always obey. Okay, always obey and accept what we say. The mind get conditioned to take everything, especially when it comes from elderly people. Be elderly in the terms of position, or in terms of age, or in terms, because we are coming from Indian background. So I'm not sure about it, how long you have been to India, but this is how the mind gets conditioned. And in a long run, it get habituated to accepting all the shit. Okay. And that's how, that's how the mind, the innocent holy mind, gets contaminated. Okay. And mind, what, like Earl Nightingale said, it's just like a land. What you plant inside it, it will give you that in multiple, in the manifold ways, right? So think about that. So what has been sowed inside the mind? Is it that you can do it? You are a great time manager because no one proved you that, hey, since your childhood, you have managed so well. You are at the age of your 40s. You have managed freaking 40 years of your life. Don't you think that's something amazing? How long do you think that every single year did you take support from anyone to to manage your own life? No. There was a time when you stood up, when you led your own life, okay, and managed to come at this position. Why you could do that? Because you were a great time manager. You were great life manager. If you are a life manager, you are a time manager. Okay. So people may get disappointed at some point of time, and they may say that you don't know even how to manage a time. You don't know even how to break down bigger chunk into small pieces. Okay. Listen to them. It does not mean that you accept them. Okay. Come back, retrospect, and realize that what you could have added, which could have stopped them saying so. And that's how you bounce back, proving that you are a good time manager, you are a good, project manager, or you are a good scrum master. So it's not about taking it at a deeper level. And one mantra I wanted to share with you, sir, and that is that people don't care how much do you know. People only care what you can give them. Are you with me so far?
That is true. That is 100% true.
People don't care what you know. People only care what you can give them. People care about themselves.
Right. That is true.
Yeah. So that's the reason you need not to flaunt your knowledge or wisdom, but you need to be very much serious enough and sensitive enough to tell your organization and realize your organization what organization means to you. Okay. And how you are very seriously kept on adding value to the organization. And that's why you are putting your creativity inside, your innovation inside, and putting everything for them. Okay. Thinking about them for adding value, and you're giving grand idea. And when you go with this feeling, you will be amazed to see your own real self, that how it is coming with a lot of innovative idea, and a lot of innovative support. With me so far?
Yes. Yeah.
Yeah. So it will take time. The nail and wall example was that nail was the negative item which was been given to you since long. Like it happens in terms of belief system that people say we have been listening even for money. Paise ped pe nahi ugte. Okay, and we accepted that shit. And many people in India went back living a life of poverty. People who did not believe in it, they grew up richer and richer. Rich people are becoming rich. Poor people are becoming poor. The reason behind this is the belief system. What the nail has been hammered for how many years in the wall. Wall is your mind, nail is the negative thought, belief system, and hammer is that how many times you have been hearing since the ages. To remove that nail out, what you will have to do, go the opposite side of the wall, hammer with the double speed, hammer with the doubled time. So if you are 25 years old listening to this, you will have be assured that you can be a super duper positive if you will continue hammering your mind with the positivity for 50 years. If you're 40 years, be assured it may at least take 80 years, because negative was so powerful. You will have to double and speed up your positivity too. So if you have encountered this the way of seeding a positiveness, be assured that accept that it will at least take double of the age from where you encountered the positiveness. Okay, and when you will accept that, you will keep on getting surprised every single day. Okay, with the positivity or and awesomeness. Yes, Rahul.
Okay, sir. I think
yes, you are done for today's question is answered, I guess. So you are a good time manager. Tell yourself and go ahead back and prove that. And more power to you, more energy to you, Rahul. Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, welcome. So we are ending the call now, and remember to send me email for your free gift too.
Yeah,
Yes.
PNG, yes.
Yes. Yes. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care. Yes.